So you see the sink is nice and clean. We got a boil advisory in Henrico. Richmond had it first. Well, the city of Richmond did. Now Henrico does. Let's fill this up and see what it looks like. I don't know if you can see it on camera or not, but it's got a weird tint to it, almost yellowish. And there's definitely crap floating around in there. There's some floaties in there. I don't know if y'all can see them or not. I don't know if it'll pick it up or not. But there's definitely some, I don't know what the hell it is. Little specks of, let me see if I can grab it under there. Shit. Whatever that shit is right there. And it feels, I don't know, the water feels weird. It's almost like a, I don't know. It's like the water's got a film in it, you know what I mean? And it's definitely got a tint to it. And it's definitely got floaties in it. So, there is that. So yeah, I guess you probably should boil water.